Did you know you can now create your own reel in Photoshop Elements? That's right. G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I'm here in Photoshop Elements 2024 to show you one of the new features. Under the Create menu, you can now create a reel. So all you need to do is open up all the photos you want in your reel and then select them by clicking on the first photo that you want to include in the reel and then shift clicking on the last photo. Then you go to Create Photo Reel and Photoshop Elements will pop them all in for you. They'll be cropped to whatever size you choose. There's a few standard sizes that you can choose from, 9x16, 1x1, etc., etc. Then we've got sizes for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, also known as X, and Threads. So let's just go with an Instagram reel for today. It's going to be really handy for those reels you want to make with photos that are on your computer already. Now they're all given 0.5 seconds on the screen and you can preview them right away. I use the auto curate feature in Organizer to help me choose these photos, and now I just need to tweak them so they're centered in the frame. So let's go ahead and pause the video. Then we can use the Move tool to move those photos. You can also adjust the time that you want certain photos to be on screen. For example, I might want this one to be on screen for longer. And you can also add effects and graphics. I'm going to add this little banner to the first photo. I'm going to resize that and add a little title to my photo. Then when you're happy with how everything looks, you can click export and then save it as an MP4. Now let's have a look at the resulting reel. Photoshop Elements doesn't actually allow you to save your project in an editable format. You can either export it or press cancel and return back to your familiar editing modes. If you'd like to do something a bit more advanced with your photo reels, you'll want to head over to Premiere Elements. But for a quick photo reel where you can just export it as an MP4 and share it on social media using their built-in music, I think it's a pretty great start to the new feature. I'm sure we'll see improvements come to the photo reel feature in the future. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of when I release brand new videos. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop Elements 2024 today, you can head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.